So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how to install FFmpeg for Audacity in step-by-step guide. Firstly, let's briefly talk about what FFmpeg is. FFmpeg is a powerful media processing tool that allows Audacity to work with a wider range of audio and video formats. Without it, you might find that certain file types are not supported. Now let's move on the installation process. So first open the Audacity. So let me show you. You need to click on your edit and then click on preferences at the bottom. Here you can see the preferences. And then here you need to click on libraries. At the left side here you can see the libraries option. So here you can see it is saying FFmpeg Library Not Found. So currently I don't have the FFmpeg library. So you can here click on this download icon or you can directly go to their website and download the latest version of FFmpeg library. So let's close it for now and let's go to their website and download it manually. So go to your browser and in your browser you need to search for install FFmpeg for Audacity. So here is the link of Audacity. So just click on this link. All right. I will also put the link in the description below. So you can directly go to the description to download this exe file. So here you can see download the FFmpeg installer. So just click on this link. So here you can see that this is the website lame.buanzo.org. So here you can see two versions. So if you have 64-bit Windows, then download the 64-bit version, and if you have a 32-bit version, then download the 32-bit. So as I have Windows 64, I have downloaded the 64-bit version. So now just double click on it to install, then click on run, and then here you need to just agree to their terms after reading it obviously, and then click on next, and then here you can see the installation location. So the program will be installed in your program files. So then click on next, and then here you need to click on install. All right, so now let's click on finish. So now let's open our Audacity again. So here click on edit again, and then here click on preferences. So after going to your preferences, so here you can see that the FFmpeg version is already detected, and if it is not automatically detected, then you can obviously click on this FFmpeg library, click on this locate icon here, and here it is saying already automatically detected. So if you want to detect it manually, then click on yes, and then here you need to click on this browse icon. So here you can see that the folder and the .ddl file is all automatically detected. But if you want to detect it manually, then go to this PC and then go to local disk C or where your Windows is installed. Then click on program files. So if you have a 32-bit version, then you need to go to x86. And then here you can see FFmpeg for Audacity. So just click on here, and here is the .ddl file, and then after clicking on it, click on OK. So that's it. Now here you can see that your FFmpeg library version is showing. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can install FFmpeg on your Audacity. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from TechMash and I am signing out.